Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding boat. This is part 2 of SQL versus NoSQL. In previous session, we have learned based on a relation, database management system can be categorized into relational database management system and distributed database management system. All SQL databases comes under relational database management system category and all NoSQL databases comes under distributed database management system. Now, in this session, we are going to cover NoSQL database software. So let's begin the session. NoSQL database software. Assume this is NoSQL database software. What is NoSQL database software? NoSQL database software is collection of collections. NoSQL database software is collection of collections where each collection is collection of documents. Each collection is collection of documents. What is document? Document is data stored in file format. Data stored in file format is called document. So this is pictorial representation of NoSQL database software. That's it in this session. Next session will be final part of difference between SQL and NoSQL. There we will learn what is the exact difference between NoSQL and SQL databases. So let's meet in another session. Thank you.